What's going on, guys? Welcome back. This video is going to be all about hammering out the metalwork in the engine bay. Mainly we're just going to be focusing on metalwork and getting some things straightened out. Already got started on the other side yesterday. Today I'm just going to jump straight into fixing up where I pulled the battery tray, patching these holes up, and get the Bondo work done from there. Before I get too far into it, I just want to make it clear I'm not a professional metal or body guy. I really have very little experience with this stuff, but I'm figuring it out as I go. So just keep that in mind, guys. Yesterday I already got started on the driver's side, patching up that spot where we pulled that bracket. Right now I'm gonna jump into trying to fix up the passenger side. This is the part of the build where I really start to get excited about things. You know, this is when the car starts to actually take on a little bit of a transformation. So I'm really excited to get into this part of it. I've done it all before, but this time it's gonna be even better. Yeah, it's just it's really exciting to finally be done, just like with the basic stuff, and start actually moving forward and trying to make some progress on the thing and actually see the changes take place. So yeah, guys, we're just gonna go right into this thing and get it knocked out. I'm nearly done patching up the holes on the passenger side. There's like one oval hole. I'm having to make like a little patch to fill it in. I can't just fill it in with the welder. Once I get this little piece of metal to fit in there, I'm just gonna weld it in with the MIG welder and we'll continue on from there. I'm sorry if I haven't been providing that much commentary. I've just been trying to hammer this thing out. I got my last coat of Bondo on right now. I'm waiting for it to set up, and then I'm going to sand it down, hopefully for the last time. Alright, so I got this side smoothed out with the hammer and dolly. I think it turned out pretty good, but I'm just gonna jump right into getting these holes patched up with the MIG welder. And from there, we're gonna start throwing the Bondo on and getting it smoothed out. Alright guys, so I'm done working on both those corners. I got them all sanded out and did the best I could. I just want to reiterate, I'm no professional body guy. I have very little experience with this kind of stuff, but I'm pretty satisfied with how it turned out. There's some slight imperfections, but it's good enough for me. There's still a whole lot more work to do under the bay. I'd say I'm probably only a quarter of the way done with it. I still have to prep the rest of the bay. But yeah, I'm gonna save that for next time. I'm beat, you know. It's been a ton of sanding to get these corners straightened out, and we still got a lot more prep work to do in the bay. But I'm getting really excited about it. The car's really starting to make a transformation, and I feel like I'm really starting to build the car now. So this is the part of the build where I really enjoy it because I'm challenging myself. I'm learning new things, and I'm really putting in the work. It's just not the usual tearing it apart and cleaning it up. So yeah, in the next video, we're just gonna continue working on this bay, getting this thing knocked out. I still haven't decided what color I'm gonna go with. I'm most likely just gonna spray it red again. So yeah, now that I got most of the major metal work knocked out in the engine bay, my plan is in the next video to have this thing totally prepped and ready to paint, and maybe even start laying down a base coat. You know, I'm pretty experienced when it comes to automotive stuff, but I am new to paint and body, and I'm also new to filming and editing and uploading on YouTube. So if you guys have any comments, any criticisms, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think I can do better. Yeah guys, I appreciate you watching. I'll see you in the next one.